You look younger than your age. Ano bang sikreto mo? Simple lang naman. Dapat lagi kang nadidili. Hindi, joke lang. I think the reason why I look younger than my age is I try to live a healthy lifestyle. Not just physically but also mentally. I ensure to surround myself with the right people kasi ang stressful kapag mga maling tao yung kasama mo. And also recently, na-discover ko pa lang itong mga supplements from Tatio Active. The first one is Biomax. So, tinitake ko to daily to ensure that I have the right levels of collagen. Especially, syempre, nagkakaedad na ako. So, bumababa na yung collagen levels sa katawan ko. So, need ko ng supplement para magmukha pa rin fresh kahit yung to, hindi. And also, the second one is itong collagen gummies nila. Gusto ko to kasi parang kumakain lang ako ng collagen. Minsan nga parang gusto kong ubusin pero baka ma-overdose ako. This also helps me to have a clear, bright, and glowing and healthy skin. Di ba? Parang mukha pa rin bagets. Tapos maka-attract ka rin ng bagets. And if you also wanna try this product, nasa yellow basket lang yan. So you can check out and try it for yourself. Bye!